Most people don't have a business. They have a high stress job where they are the only employee. I've archived my 20-year journey into this epicenter of business success. On this page, I'll give you the full journey from my DIY to managing director. It's broken into 3 specific steps: foundations and logic, workspace and tech, and the real challenges of the struggle. Below that, I've included the proof these systems work, a real-life look at the evidence of over 230 episodes of my podcast. I'll give you all the whys to support this journey so you can actually see it working. And below that, I have the resource vault, where there's lots of tools and links to things we use daily that help us through this journey. I use this 3-step journey to skip the 20 years of trial and error I went through. I've used this same logic with over 28 brands, and it works very nicely. And I'm at a moment now where I want to share it with you. Start stage 1 below.